Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to earn money from ClickBank. ClickBank is a well-known online marketplace connecting product creators with affiliate marketers like you. It specializes in digital products, offering a vast array of ebooks, software, and online courses. As an affiliate, your role is to promote these products, and in return, you can earn substantial commissions, often ranging from 50% to 75% of each sale. It's a straightforward way to start earning online. Finding the right product is crucial for your success. Look for products with a high gravity score, indicating strong sales by other affiliates. Also, prioritize offers that provide recurring commissions, allowing you to earn repeatedly from a single customer. Select a niche you genuinely understand or are passionate about, as this makes promotion more authentic. Always examine the product's sales page and read customer reviews to ensure quality and demand. Effective promotion is key to driving sales. Start by building an email list. It's one of the most powerful assets for long-term marketing. Create valuable content such as informative blog posts, engaging videos, or helpful guides to attract your target audience. Consider using paid advertising on platforms like Google or Facebook, but do so strategically with a clear budget. Finally, actively engage with your audience on social media to build trust and rapport. To maximize your earnings, continuous optimization is essential. Always track your conversions and sales data to understand what's working and what isn't. Implement /B testing for your landing pages and advertisements to identify the most effective versions. Once you find successful campaigns, reinvest a portion of your profits to scale them up, reaching a wider audience. Stay updated with market trends and adapt your strategies to maintain a competitive edge and grow your income.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.